So everybody, welcome to Swipe Right Sundays, where we take one tech item and do a quick review and decide whether to swipe right because we like it or swipe left because we should move on to something else because it's not really worth your money. Today we're going to be using Kuxiu's X41Q and see if what it's all about. Let's get into it. So this is a 3-in-1 Qi2 charger. We're going to unbox it to see exactly what we got going on in here. So again, the big thing with this one for me is just how thin I think this thing is supposed to be, because from a travel charger standpoint, again, this is made to build or charge your big three. So you have, again, an iPhone Qi2 charger, you open this thing up like this, then on the rear, as you can see right here, you actually have your 5-watt charger for your AirPods, and then another 5-watt fast charger for your Apple Watch. And then in the box, in rare form and fashion, you do have a nice USB-C to USB-C braided cable right here. And then you also have a charging brick, which is something that most brands right now do not include. And I believe this is a 45-watt charger in the box. So again, awesome to see that. And if we open this up, this is what the charger looks like. Again, it looks like it's completely movable. So it goes, you can have it flat like this to charge any iPhone magnetically right here. Then you can open this up again to have it in stand form, which I'm sure will support standby mode, which is nice to see. On the rear, you do have your Apple Watch charger, which pops up also, so even more flexibility to be able to do whatever you need with it. And then you can fit your wireless charging earbuds, whether they are AirPods or not, on the rear here. But what I like about this is that it also fully opens up like this, and you get all this angle if you really want to, and this can kind of almost be like a, like a selfie stick kind of thing, which is kind of funny. So now, of course, we do have to test it out to see how well this works, and we're going to plug this in, and funny enough, we're actually using the Nothing Phone 2 to test this out. So let's plug this in, and let's see if there's any indicator. So there seems to be no light indicator to recognize that this is on, but I'm going to lay this flat right here, and if I place this down, it does magnetically attach, and it is charging right now, as you can see right here. And from a magnet standpoint, it's nice and sturdy on there. You can twist it. Again, it is still charging, as you guys can see right here. Again, this is the Nothing Phone 2 in an iPhone case, funny enough. And then if I open this up, if I place the phone on here, give it a second, and it is charging nice and fast via Qi2 again. And like I mentioned earlier, you can put your Apple Watch back here. You can move this around. You can use it as a stand if you want to. Again, you can hold it up like this, use it kind of like a selfie stick, which is so interesting. So again, this is the Kuxiu X41Q, and for me, as a travel charger that's this thin, this portable, and this lightweight, I think this is a win. And it includes a 45-watt brick, and like I said, it includes this braided cable, which is nice and robust with the Velcro. They've kind of thought of everything here, and I mean, look at this thinness. If I open it up like that, I believe this is less than 4 millimeters thick, which is absolutely insane. So if you guys are looking for a 3-in-1 charger, I'm gonna go ahead and say swipe right on this thing. I believe it's $75 and comes in 2 different colors through Kuxiu's website. It'll be linked down below. And leave some comments down below of some other products that you do want to see on this series. Again, these are going to be short, quick, and to the point kind of reviews of products and accessories mostly that go alongside your ecosystem or whatever the case may be. And next up, I have another charger that I want to show off for next week, but that's going to do it for this one. Sunday swipe right. We're going to swipe right on Kuxiu's X41Q. Until next time, if you guys want to watch more videos like this one, click on one of these right here. Peace, everybody.